So this is why I don't speak to people on ladders, because they can escape the conversation by looking around and talking to the people rather than engaging you one-to-one. Because when it's one-to-one, they've got nowhere to go. When they're on the pulpit, they can just spout something and spout something and spout something. Job done. Okay. Now here's the reality. He based his beliefs on the New Testament, undoubtedly. And I'm going to do this again. He's gone about prophecy. I know the Bible's reliable because of prophecy. Now the problem he has, prophecy is against the Christian. If you want to bring prophecy to the table, you're finished. Why? Because the prophecies you're bringing do not support you. The prophecy of 9:6, Jesus being the Emmanuel, collapses when it says, he shall be called Prince of Peace. Now you can be a guy on the ladder and say, at 19 I had an experience and got peace in my heart. Who cares? Jesus says, think not I've come with peace.